Okay, you guys, what's up? It's your boy Nabari. Right now I'm about to do a ACV rinse from my locks because I don't know if you guys could tell, but in my videos you can see that I have a lot of buildup. My hair is dirty. I've never done this before, and yeah, I'm tired of walking around with my dreads all dirty and messed up. So I'm about to try this out, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna put in it.
So we have the organic apple cider vinegar, the pure baking soda, and we're gonna just use this for lemon juice.
Yeah.
And here's the bucket right here. Usually everybody does it in the sink, but our sink is small.
And I got a big ass head, so I don't think it'll fit in there. It probably won't even fit in the bucket, but we'll see.
Oh shit.
Pour a little bit more.
So I'm about to dip my head in. This stuff stank like real bad. Oh man.
Doing it right, but I know when they say when you dip your head, you're supposed to at least like scrub your scalp. Hopefully it's stripping all the dirt off of my dreads.
In this little last bucket. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna get the back ones.
Oh my god, look at all this. Oh, that's nasty. Ugh.
Alright, so this is 1 year and 8 months worth right here. As you can see, I got retwisted. After I did my ACV rinse, I tried it for the first time. I was struggling like crazy to get the stuff out of my hair. I had so much dirt in my hair, and I showed you guys some clips of how my hair looked, how dirty my locks were. And they're getting cleaner, so it's all good. One thing I'm gonna say is that I messed up. It was on my part because I was spraying this in my hair like every day or every other day. Yeah, I guess that caused most of the buildup. So I stopped doing that, and I'm trying this out, man. I'm trying this out for the moisturizer. This is the Palmer's Olive Oil Conditioning Spray Oil. I haven't used it in like a week or two. I'm still learning. I know this is like my second time around with this, but I'm still learning. If you guys got any tips to keep my locks moisturized and stuff, man, you guys let me know down in the comment section. And I'm not using the Jamaican Mango and Lime gel to twist my hair no more. I tried this one out, man. This is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizer Twist and Lock Gel. I'm using this now too. I just wanted to change it up, try something different. Let me know what shampoos do you recommend too for my hair. You guys let me know. I tried this out, the Heads and Shoulders. I don't know how good that's supposed to be, but yeah, once again, you guys let me know what's up in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, and I'm gonna catch you guys next video.